Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome to today's Vechain update. Now it seems like Vechain, I'm looking at Vechain right now just going down like this, trying to move up again, but it's losing this level. I actually entered Vechain yesterday. I actually give the call for Vechain in Discord as well, but it seems like maybe there's a little bit of manipulation that is happening for Vechain, and you probably could be on the verge of Vechain maybe trying to move a little bit higher. But there was a trend line that was lost and I had to close the trade, and that's the reason why is because number one, you're below this yellow line and that's not a very good sign. Number two is you had this trend line touch number two, you actually went down, you went for the retest and you failed the trend line, and it seems like that could be a failure, maybe to come down to 2909 and then move a little bit lower. Now it is what it is, but you never know. It can actually still go back up, and my take is right now at the moment there could be a midweek reversal as well, and there could be a possibility that this one still ends up going to that target, even though I closed it in a little bit of a loss down here. It was like 2% loss out of Vechain, but I'm fine with that. It's okay. If it does go up, congratulations. That's you're going to be a lucky person right now. But anyway, that's pretty much it today. I'm just taking one freebie call for Jasmine right now. So it's on the Discord, the cause in the Discord. If you're not in Discord, you can always join our Discord. The link's in the description of the video. And that's pretty much it for this Vechain update. I hope you enjoyed that quick one. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.